Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the 5 best handbags to jumpstart your luxury collection. And as you can see here, I do have a decent collection going on, but I've been building it for years. And so I'm always asked the question of what is the best handbag to start out on? What's worth it? What's not? And I really do think I have some tips and strategies that a lot of people don't talk about. But in this video, I do want to talk about 5 specific handbags that I think are worth considering if you're starting out your luxury collection. So if you like bags like me, I'm kind of weird, but if you're like me, then consider subscribing down below. But let's get started. I'm going to move over here. Oh, my microphone. Is that working? Gotta get that good audio. Hi, I'm going to stand here so that I can list my tips and strategies. I have 5 of them. I'm gonna be super brief, but guys, you gotta consider these things before you actually buy a bag. Number 1, it's right up here. Consider pre-loved. Guys, you can save thousands of dollars and they can look excellent, like brand new condition. There's no reason to buy brand new bags when you can literally save thousands of dollars. And sometimes I do go new because I can't find it pre-loved, but if I find it pre-loved, you better believe it. I don't care if it's brand new. So I'm going to link the bags that I talk about today down below, the new versions, along with different pre-loved, and pretty much everything will be from Fashion File. This is not a sponsored video by Fashion File. They don't even know I'm filming this video, but they are by far my favorite place to buy pre-loved handbags, and you guys should definitely consider them. I think their website's amazing. You can buy things, and if you don't like it, return it for free. The prices are really good. I feel like this is a huge advertisement for them, but I promise you it's not. I just really, really like their website, and I'm always getting asked where I buy pre-loved. Number 2, and I promise I'm gonna go through these quick, is only buy what you absolutely love. Who cares what I say? Who cares what another YouTuber says? Who cares what a random person says on the street? Only buy what you love. So many people love Chanel. If you hate Chanel, don't buy Chanel. Number 3, buy colors you actually love. If you love a good black bag, buy a lot of black bags. If you love neutral colors, go for neutrals. Who cares if you have a lot? Number 4 is to have different designers, or at least experiment with different designers. So even though you might have a lot of black bags, if you have different brands or designers, then I guarantee you that the bags are gonna look completely different because every brand has its own look. Number 5, right down here, different categories. So having maybe a crossbody bag, a shoulder bag, maybe a backpack, having something for every occasion is really nice, and that way your collection is more well-rounded. But if you don't love a tote bag, don't buy a tote bag. This is serious stuff, guys. This is serious. Just kidding. It's not serious at all. Sometimes I laugh when people probably stumble upon my channel and they're like, wow, this girl needs to get a life. And yes, I do. Did that look smooth? Like I was on a moving walkway? Oh, I'm gonna do that. Hold on, I'm gonna do the stairs. Next, we have the escalator. This is the elevator. Anyway, now we're gonna talk about the 5 handbags to consider when you're starting out your luxury collection. So number 1 is a good crossbody bag that you don't have to worry about, and it actually holds stuff. And my pick for this is my YSL or Saint Laurent medium college bag. This is such a good crossbody bag. I've been wearing it like crazy nonstop. I love it for so many reasons. It's very, very similar to the Pochette Matisse by Louis Vuitton that people love, but this is so much less worrisome. It wears so well, and you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I do love the gray color because I can wear it with many color palettes. It's just such an easy bag to wear, and I love that it holds so much. So it's just very practical, and I think this is definitely a good example of one you can get pre-loved and save a lot of money. The next bag that you should consider when starting your luxury collection is something classic that you love, something classic and iconic, something that will never go out of style. There's several out there, and for me, it was this Chanel jumbo bag in black caviar with gold hardware. I love it so much. I remember when I unboxed it on my channel, I was on cloud 9. I was over the moon. I was apparently in outer space. I don't know. But I just love this bag so much, and I really don't think it will ever go out of style. So find the one that you love. I definitely think this is a good pick. Maybe if this one is too big, you could go for the medium large, but you can never go wrong with Chanel, at least in my opinion. But again, that's just my opinion. Maybe you like the Lady Dior, or maybe you like my next pick. And that would be to consider either the Louis Vuitton Neverfull or Louis Vuitton Speedy. Now, I do have a video all about the pros and cons of each bag, and wow, I need to refilm that because it's bad. So please comment down below if you'd like to see a video all about the pros and cons, because these are popular, but usually people either love one or the other. So my personal preference is the Louis Vuitton Speedy bandolier in the size 30, but a lot of people love totes, and I do like this. I just only really use it for travel. So anyway, you can't go wrong with one of these when you're starting your collection, but you have to decide which one is really for you. And I realize a lot of people can't stand either one of these, in which case, just skip over this point. The fourth bag that you should consider is something trendy that you love. And guys, I just love this one. I love this point because so many people, especially on YouTube, are constantly saying you should only buy what's of value, what's going to last a long time, what's never going to go out of style. And I do like those points. I mean, hey, I just talked about classic bags, but you really should consider something that's super trendy, something you absolutely love right now. Who cares if it's gonna go out of style if you really just get the enjoyment out of it right now? Sometimes that's worth the few $100s that you might lose. So for me, I recommend either Fendi, Gucci, or Balenciaga, because guys, those are super trendy right now. This is my Balenciaga bag, this is my Fendi bag. I've got a couple Gucci's over there, guys. I love them. And yeah, I know that probably in a couple years, this is not gonna be good anymore, but I get so much I like it a lot. It's just worth it to me. And yes, guess what? This is an advertisement for Balenciaga, but boy, do I enjoy it. So, hey, buy what you love, buy something trendy, something that just makes your heart smile when you walk into that store. The fifth and final bag you should consider when starting your luxury collection is something with color, something bam, something wow. And I know, at the beginning of the video, I said if you like black bags, buy black bags. If you like neutrals, stick with neutrals. However, I think that finding your one sweet spot, the one sweet color that really complements you and really contrasts you is the way to go. Now, my recommendation for this is my purple Gucci Marmont bag. Yes, I know if you have been following me, you're probably sick and tired of this freaking purple bag. However, I just really love it. I feel like it really contrasts my outfits in a really good way. I also suggest the color wheel. So I'm gonna insert the color wheel here. They say that, opposite colors of the color wheel. So for instance, if you wear a lot of camels and browns and neutrals, then opposite of that is actually blue, and that would really contrast and complement your outfit. So consider that. There is the color wheel for your reference. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.